Alright, as you can see, I got a pretty good wobble in my steering wheel, and it happens around 45 miles per hour roughly. When I get in that range between 40 and 50, that's when it starts wobbling. And once I go faster than that, it's better. Slower than that, it's better. So upon further inspection here, you see I have a little bend in the rim here. Right here. It's not real bad, but it's there. And I'm kind of afraid to beat it back out because I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put this one on the back, or I'm just going to put both of the front ones on the back for now, and see if that fixes the problem. Alright, 45 miles an hour, no steering wheel wobble. So that seemed to do the trick. So I don't know how that thing got bent. I imagine it was from a pothole or something. But I thought at first when they did their tire repair for me, they might have dropped it. But I couldn't really understand why that would happen. And I didn't see any evidence of any scar marks or anything that looked like they dropped it. So it must have just been from a pothole, which is pretty surprising to me that there's so much tire there that you could hit a pothole that would bend the rim like that with that much tire, but apparently you can, and that's probably what happened. I got some pretty bad roads over by where I work, and they get in pretty bad disrepair over the winter. So, but anyway, it's better now, and I'm going to the tire rim repair place and see if they can straighten that out and balance it. So, update. I went to the tire rim repair guy, and he seemed to think that if he tried to straighten that rim out, he'd mess up the clear coat on it, or the clear finish on it. And he didn't think it was worth it, and he wanted to take it off and try to balance it because he didn't think it looked too bad. But he couldn't do it right then and there and wanted to do it later, so I'm just going to take it to the local guy by my house, the tire guy, and see if they can balance it and just give them the business. They don't fix rims, but you know, they replace tires and do balancing and mounting and stuff. So I'm going to give it to the local guys and see if they can get it balanced and see what happens. So I'll let you know, I guess. I guess this video's not over. Alright, I had the wheel balanced. Here's where the bend is, and they put a 1 ouncer here and a 1.75 on the back, about in the same spot. So I put it back on the front, and I'm going to take it for a ride and see what happens. Alright, I've been hitting between 40 and 50 miles an hour on this road here, and haven't had any wobble, so that's good. So balancing the tire after it had a slight bend in the rim fixed the problem. So, alright, if you got a steering wheel wobble, you might have a bent rim or possibly just out of balance. Alright, I gotta go. Adios.